My dear friends, Mary Magdalene, we see today, is the one whom Jesus had removed 7 demons. And that is what changed her life. And that is why she was following Jesus, because Jesus had brought peace in her life. But you see, there is a deep craving to have Jesus, and through this incident today, it shows Mary Magdalene is searching for Jesus, and it is asking each and every one of us, when we are also in trouble, when we don't have God in our life, do we feel empty in our life, just as Mary Magdalene did? You know, if you see the previous lines of this Gospel of Saint John, it is of Saint Peter and John running to the tomb. And when they see, Peter is perplexed and he is wondering what has happened, And John believes, that he remembers Jesus saying these things. And Mary also comes with them afterwards. But Mary refuses to leave the tomb because she is in search of Jesus. My dear friends, as I said in the beginning, in the introductory words, each one of us is called by Jesus for a special reason. And that is why Jesus is telling us, don't hold on to me, because He has greater things for each and every one of us. And today we see Mary Magdalene is said to be, even the church believes that she is said to be one of the first disciples to proclaim the risen Lord. She is the one to go and tell the disciples. And each one of us, we as followers of Christ, are called to proclaim Jesus. Although we might not be the first one, but Jesus wants us to experience Him and give Himself to others, whomever we come in contact with. My dear friends, once we experience our risen Lord, there is a change in our life. Even if you see in the first reading today, Peter, these disciples, they were hiding. But now once they have experienced Jesus, Peter is speaking boldly, and he is telling directly that to the Jews, that Jesus whom you crucified, and it cast deep in the heart of the Jews. My dear friends, once we experience Jesus, Jesus dwells within us, and He is trying to tell us through these readings. As we are reflecting on these readings today, let us ask each and every one of us, let us ask ourselves and see whether we have really experienced our risen Lord, the light which He has given us. Can we give it to others? If we have not, then let us ask God to increase our faith in Him. Let us ask God to be with us, to indwell in us, and then only we can change our lives.